Welcome back to Country Gal Kitchens. Today we're going to be making a sheet pan roasted Brussels sprouts and cauliflower with chicken. Start by washing our veggies. So we're going to wash our Brussels sprouts and our cauliflower. Next we're going to use our 4-inch vegetable knife to cut up our Brussels sprouts into some smaller pieces. This knife is super sharp, so I needed both hands to make sure that the knife wasn't going to slip while cutting the Brussels sprouts. Our 4-inch vegetable knife is part of a 3-size series of vegetable knives that we do have. So we have 3 vegetable knives in the collection so far, and the 4-inch size is perfect for smaller veggies like this. Next, we're going to be slicing up our cauliflower. We're just going to remove the large stem with the gourmet prep, and then we're going to cut all our little pieces of cauliflower off of the larger stem in the middle with the gourmet prep as well. And we're going to cut our cauliflower into more manageable, smaller pieces. We're going to make sure our oven's preheated to 425. We're going to add our garlic cloves as well. I just peeled those, and then we're going to make sure that our cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and garlic are seasoned into our large mixing bowls with some sea salt today and black pepper. And we're going to drizzle some olive oil over top of our mixture as well. And then we're just going to give it a good stir and mix so that it all combines together. Then we're going to transfer our food over to our sheet pan. And then we're going to prep our chicken thighs. I did go ahead and grab a boning knife as well, just to trim a few fats. It is recommended to use the trimmer or the boning knife. Either one is great for trimming fats and skins off of any meat. And we're going to do the same thing that we did for our vegetables. So we need olive oil again, sea salt, and black pepper. We're going to turn our chicken thighs over in the mixture just to make sure that they're fully coated. transfer those onto our sheet pan as well. Once these are placed on the sheet pan, we're going to wiggle them around just to make sure that they are separated a bit from the vegetables, and then everything will cook thoroughly and evenly. Once that is all cooked through, we're gonna remove our sheet pan, let that cool for a little bit, and then we're going to scoop out our vegetables, so our Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, into our bowl. That's gonna be the bottom layer, and then we're gonna put one of the chicken thighs on top in the bowl. And then I'm gonna use all the seasonings that the Keka recipe recommends. So we're gonna do some rosemary, some thyme leaves, more black pepper, and the last ingredient is balsamic vinegar, and I think that really completes this recipe. So I highly encourage you to not skip that and to try it with balsamic vinegar. You can have some tomatoes, so I used cherry tomatoes today, and top those on as well if you would like to garnish with that. And you are all done. So that is the recipe there. Hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.